Zimdancehall music is no doubt the most popular genre amongst the youth of Zimbabwe, having made its way into the country's high-density suburbs and small towns through the work of artists such as Culture T, Alan Ranks, and Daza D. The genre, a compelling mixture of reggae, dancehall music, has recently seen the emergence of top artists like Winky D, Killer T, King Labash, Soldier Love, Freeman, Shinsoman, and many more. This is Zim Afro TV. My name is Coley aka Stan C. I'm going to talk about most popular Zimdancehall songs for 2018. Here is the music in Africa's list of some of the top Zimdancehall songs of 2018. Kanjiva, Ak, Ikak, Ak, Kanjiva by Enzo Ishall. Enzo Ishall is the new name of the Zimdancehall scene. Ishall first gained the prominence with Kanjiva, a hit that was produced by DJ T Ndamuda of Chill Sport Records. In the song, the artist challenges his fans to come up with their own Kanjiva dance, like DJ Bong's Gwara Gwara dance. This song has flooded social media platforms with fans submitting their own routines. Sweety by Signal. Sweety is a song that encourages daughters-in-law to preserve their marriages despite the challenges they may be facing. In the song, Signal borrows verses and beats from gospel musicians Charles Charamba's songs Kana Vanhu Vangu, produced by Simplex. The song has taken music industry by storm, and its video features the Zimbabwean comedian My Titi. Ndakamuona ari ega chizvifambira. Ndamuda by Killer T. Ndamuda is a love song by one of the Zimbabwean top dancehall artists, Killer T. The video for the new single taken off his Mashoko Anopfura album, shot to the #1 on YouTube's trending videos list for Zimbabwe, and has currently been viewed more than 1.6 million times. The video portrays a man who disapproves of his mother's advice to let go of the woman he loves. Girozi by Winky D. Girozi is off Winky D's latest album Gombwe 2018, produced by Nafuna TV and directed by Inko. The song features one of Zimbabwe's top choral gospel acts in the form of Vabati Va Jehovah. The song became a hit shortly after the release of Gombwe album, but its video was met with mixed feelings from music commentators, journalists, fans alike, who urged that the production did not live up to Winky D's billing. Nevertheless, Ngirozi remains one of the top Zimdancehall songs of 2018. Boom Shelele by Nutty O. Boom Shelele was taken off Chill Sport Records Panomama Mono Rhythm. Unlike other artists featured on the compilation, Nutty O gives this song an international feel by employing Jamaican dialects, which has proven to be an alluring feature for many fans of the genre produced by Levels. The track has a steady flow and confirms Nutty O's reputation as one of the top Zimdancehall musicians. Handirare kudeni kwenyu futi by Enzo Ishall. Enzo Ishall is indeed the talk of the town. Handirare kudeni kwenyu futi is a song most Zimbabweans can relate to, and is among the reasons Ishall is considered one of the country's best ghetto storytellers. Shot in Harare's high-density suburbs, the video, a piece of the social commentary about ghetto life in the Zimbabwe, is successful in, at least partially, capturing the lifestyle and experiences of many Zimbabweans. Thank you for watching this exciting episode. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and to click the little bell icon to get notifications for new uploads.